Good morning, children. Let's see today's thought. Avicharitam na kartavyam, which means that we should not act without thinking. We should think first before doing any kind of work or any kind of thing or making any kind of statement. Children, in previous period, we have seen that ete, te, the meaning of these two is these and those. We have seen also the plural forms of these words. Ete and te, they are the forms of pronoun etat and tat, and they are used for masculine gender in plural number. Today we will see etaha, taha. Etaha means these and taha means those. Now here are some examples given of feminine gender plural number. Etaha balikaha. Balikaha means girls. These are girls. Etaha vadanti. These are talking. Kaha vadanti. Who are talking? Etaha balikaha vadanti. These girls are talking. Now, taha vidyarthinyah. Those are students. Taha nrutyanti. Those are dancing. Kaha nrutyanti. Who are dancing? Taha vidyarthinyah nrutyanti. Those girls, students, are dancing. Now here you can see if we use any verb in plural form, it has the ending anti, that is vadanti, then nrutyanti, kujanti, namanti, gacchanti, khelanti, which means that if we want to use plural number, then the verb should also be in the plural form. In lesson number 2 we have seen that if we use singular number, then it will be, for example, etaha balikaha. The singular form will be esha balika. Etaha balikaha vadanti, esha balika vadati. If we want to use singular number, then we will say it vadati, and if we want to say plural, then it will be vadanti. Now here some singular forms of feminine gender are given. We will see the plural forms of these. Mapika, mapikaha. Petika, petikaha. Chhatra, chhatraha. Vaidya, vaidyaha. Nivedika, nivedikaha. Anguli, angulyah. Pustika, pustikaha. Lekhani, lekhanyah. Kupi, kupyah. Droni, dronyah. Now, anguli, lekhani, kupi, droni, these are the words we used as nadi table, and mapika, petika, chhatra, vaidya, nivedika, pustika. In mala table you can find that mala, malaha, likewise mapika, mapikaha. Now these sentences: Chatakaha kujanti, sparrows chirp or sparrows are chirping. Mahilaha namanti, women salute or women are saluting. Pipilikaha gacchanti, ants go. Taha khelanti, those are playing. Children, you have to write this in your copy. Now, etani tani. Etani and tani, these are the forms of etat pronoun and tat pronoun of neuter gender plural number. Etani kamalani, these are lotuses. Etani vikasanti, these are blooming. Kani vikasanti, who are blooming? Etani kamalani vikasanti, these lotuses are blooming. Tani patrani, those are leaves. Tani patanti, those are falling. Kani patanti, what are falling or who are falling? Tani patrani patanti, those leaves are falling. Vimanani gacchanti, aeroplanes are flying. Yanani tishthanti, vehicles are waiting. Vahanani dhavanti, vehicles are running. Now, these are the forms of neuter gender, and these are the forms of feminine gender. We have seen now the use of etat and tat pronoun in masculine, feminine and neuter gender in plural number. Now we will see the exercise. There are some pictures given here. Chitram društva vakyam likhata. Here fruits means phalani patanti. Fruits are falling. Then there are relayanani. Relayanani means railways. You can see in the picture 3 railways are there. That's why we will say that relayanani dhavanti, or you can say relayanani tishthanti also. Kusumani or pushpani vikasanti or pushpani santi. Vejanani chalanti or vejanani brahmanti. Now here ete. Now here garjanti is there and ete is there. That's why siha. The word siha will be in plural form. So ete sihaha garjanti. Then here yanani dhavanti. That's why here it is plural form. So we will use kani yanani dhavanti because this is of neuter gender. That's why kim pronoun will be used in neuter gender. Then mahilaha is of plural form. That's why vadanti will be used here. So mahilaha vadanti. Then balikaha and nrutyanti, they are of plural forms, and the pronoun is of the noun is of feminine gender. That's why taha balikaha nrutyanti will be the answer. Vahanti is of plural form. That's why nadi, the plural form of nadi is nadyaha. That's why nadyaha vahanti. Then vaidyaha is of plural form. That's why we will use the verb of plural form, that is pashyanti. So the answer will be vaidyaha pashyanti. Children, you will write these exercise also in your copy. I have given the answers and I will provide you the PDF file also. So your homework, today's homework is write plural forms given in 3.2, that is of feminine gender, in your copy. Then write exercise of lesson 3 in your copy. Thank you.